Next up, we have the Photoshop or raster effects, and you can see those right here. We have a gallery, but artistic. And look at the flyout menu. This should look really familiar, exactly what we see in Photoshop. Blurs, brush strokes, distorts, pixelates. So this is using the effect gallery from Photoshop. So we're going to start by selecting this pink brush shape on our artboard. And we're going to choose the FX button to add a new special effect. And from the Photoshop options, we're going to go to brush strokes, and we're going to choose sprayed strokes. The dialog that we get next is going to look familiar to us, very much like Photoshop. We have our different options. We can twirl open. We saw all of these in Photoshop as well. So brush strokes with sprayed strokes is being applied right now, so you can see the edges. Over at the far right, we see details that we can change as far as the stroke length and the spray radius. We are going to tweak this to have a stroke length of 20. So I'm just going to pull this over to the right, and a spray radius of 25. That's pretty dramatic. Stroke direction, we want to be vertical. And when we're happy with that, we're going to click OK to apply these raster effects to this shape. And there we have kind of an artsy looking paintbrush. We can click away to deselect.